Welcome back. I just wanted to change something here. Here I want this to be put on large, to be more better, because I thought about it and I saw that this is smaller than this. Okay, now this is great. The next thing I have here is the home page. Let's put the home page here. I have where is it? Okay, I will make here section with the class of home, and here I'll make dev the class of container, and here dev with the class of row. Okay, here I will create 3 columns. The dev with the class of col. Okay, here I will write something like I will give it a span of an ID of okay, head 1. Okay, here I will make restaurant in New York City. Okay, so here on the home page I have a restaurant in New York City. Here I make okay, margin top 5. Okay, and what will happen when I add again? Nothing. So here I make a bedding top of 5. This is much better. Okay, the next thing I have here is I will add here okay, here I will add buttons. So here in the same column I'll just make 2 another columns like this and like this. The class of column, I will close this, I will copy this part and paste it here instead of that, and here I got this. Great, and now I can add buttons. So here I will add dev with a class of d, flex and flex wrap, and here justify content, center, and justify content medium start, justify content medium start. Okay, and now I can make a with href of nothing with a class of button, and button primary or button anything I want. Button primary, if it is not okay I will make it success. Okay, button large, and here I will make order online. The next I will make it a with href nothing with a class. You will see this class here now, button and button ghost, and here button large. Okay, if it is not okay we will change it, reservation, and then I have this one. I think it will be much better if it is success. Where is it? Okay, success. This is a ghost, no border, just this one, just this text. Great. And here I can make here I can give it a class here of margin bottom of 5. We got the same problem. Okay, I will leave it like that. Then I have this is great. Here I will copy this ID and paste it here. I can give it a font size of 40 pixels, I think. I just want to break the line here. Break the line, so it will be very good. This is much better. What if I make this here into 55 pixels? To be like that. This is much better. And if I make 60 or 65, much better and better. Great. And now the next thing I have here is to put a background image, sorry. So here in the section of header, I think it was header, right? Section with the class of home. Here the background image URL, I had this image here, image 29, like that. Great. The next thing I have here is to put a height of I think 800 pixels will be okay. Not okay very much. Here I just got a problem here with the margin. Where is the margin? Okay. Bedding. I will make the bedding. Okay, here I have the bedding top of 4 and bedding right of 4. Bedding left of 4. We got a problem here. Margin top. Okay, let's delete the margin and see what we have when I reload. Great, this is much better now. I just can add a margin here or a bedding, more bedding. Let's make the color into white. Section with a class of home with the color into white. Much better. I just need to edit this one. Great. Here I can make for the head one margin top of 5 em. No, we got a problem. Okay, for the container I will give an ID for the container or a more class. ID is better. ID of header. I will copy this ID and paste it for the CSS. And here margin top of 5 em or 4 em, it is okay. Now we got the same problem. So what is it? Let's try to add a bedding instead of the margin. Bedding top of 4 em. Much better, I think. Let's make this into 10. We get the same problem. So we need to edit this part. Okay, now I have the div with a class of call. I will give an ID of head 1 or header. So now this is much better. Great, I can add more bedding. This to be 15, I think. No, I need more. 18 or 20. Much better. Great. The next thing I have here, this is put on large, great, and this to be with a style of color of white. Much better. Okay, you know, I can change this here to have the button outline success. Outline success. This is much better now. I just need margin left of 5. Great. This is much better now. Now everything's doing great. The next step I have here is to make the background attachment into fixed. Okay, so here back attachment into fixed. Great. Okay, now we are done with all of this. We just need to make the nav part to fix it. Nav, it is here. Position into fix it. We got the same problem. Okay, I will delete this part. Here I will make the nav with the style position of fix it. Now it is fixed. We just need to give it a background color. So here background color into white. And width of 100%. width of 100%. So here I got this. Great. I got all of that now. The next, okay, now we are done with adding this part. When I make it like this, I have this. Great. I just need to delete the margin for this width, but it is okay right now. This is much great. Now we are done with all of that. In the next video we will add on another page. So good luck and have fun.